Hi, Jamie. So you're obviously working on a computer. So the key thing is, because when I clicked on it, it did this, right? So I'm going to make sure that once I go into those links, sorry, I've lost it again. Um, you were, I think I had it here. I had sent it to myself instead of to you. So when you go, you got to right click, open link in new tab, and it should open like that, so that you should be able to see it. So you need to be able to have a PDF. So this is the other thing too that I'd like you to do. Maybe you don't have Adobe on your computer or in Drive. So if you're working in Chrome, you're going to go to the web Chrome store. And you're going to go to Adobe Reader because you need to be able to read PDFs. Or PDF viewer. I probably already have this installed, but you can add to Chrome. So when I look at my extensions here, I have Open in PDF Reader already installed, or PDF viewer. So you can add to Chrome and then it will automatically pick that up. If you want to go in here, and then you can even add that I have it pinned so that I can be able to see it. So that your Google Drive can actually pick that up. So there might be an extra step that you need to do, but all of the articles are viewed in PDF, so you need to be able to see those. The other thing that I had to do on even my own desktop is that I had to download Adobe Acrobat Reader, and you can do that on a Chromebook as well, but you need to make sure that you have a PDF reader. So those are the steps that I need you to take. Make sure that you have a PDF reader, and then just right clicking, because it wasn't working, just clicking on it, open in a new tab, and then they should be able to open, because it's chosen that. If you really wanted to, if there wasn't another option, you could even possibly open that up in Google Docs, but I'm not sure that it would format it the same way. So this might just take a second to convert it, but that's the other option that you have there.